appreciate what still remains. Hello friends, this is Shundel, and today's share is about appreciating what still remains. This is just a share from my own life experiences and from my own reading. Why? Because I read a lot in order for me to support and comfort myself. Many times we are so focused on what was gone. We are so focused what was went wrong. But bottom line here, what is wrong is wrong. What is been done is being done, and it cannot be undone. My point here, to appreciate what still remains, be grateful what you have right now. What is that remaining thing you have right now, instead of keep nagging in yourself what went wrong, nagging in yourself what you have been lost. From one time to another in our life journey, we experience losses. It is a part of our life journey. It cannot be avoided that we experience one loss from another. It is what it is. We don't like it, but we must embrace it anyway. To appreciate what still remains, count your blessing. You are blessed, you are good enough, you are capable of doing great things in your life. Appreciate what you have in front of you right now. The loss is gone already, and it takes time to build it up again. When we lose someone, when we lose something, it's hard, it's painful, and it can be very frustrating. But think that all will be well with you. You experience losses for us to acknowledge what remains. Why is that happening? Because God wants us to be more appreciated for the thing that remains to us. Okay, we maybe lose a loved one. Yes, it can be painful. We all experience that. But bottom line here, acknowledge those people who remains at your side. Acknowledge those people who are loving you at this very moment. Appreciate what still remains and look forward for what next is coming. When we lose something, it will be repaid. It will come back in some other form. But the bottom line here, we have to face the pain in order for us to be happy again. We don't like it, but you must understand that we all are capable of starting today. Starting today, we need to forget what was gone. We need to forget what has been lost. Appreciate what still remains and look forward to what's coming next. Be grateful of those moments. You have that loved one. Though you have that thing, be grateful. Appreciate the memories. Because nothing will stay forever in this earth. We all can go to die. Not me or any other else, someone else or whatever, whoever. We all can die someday. Enjoy those moments. You have them. Enjoy the process of life. Life is too short, and we are all have time limit. Maybe he died young, maybe I will die old, or we don't know about tomorrow, right? But the point here, we all can be gone on this earth one day. So therefore, We must accept the pain. We must embrace the pain and acknowledge what still remains with you at this very moment. We may be lost a child or we may be lost of something, but it all can be replaced. We cannot replace the life, but a new baby will born. For example, in the family, we lost our grandparents, then the new baby will born. So there is always something that can make us happy again. A born of a new baby, we feel happy, we feel glad, and that is good. We feel sorrow of those people we lost, and it's all good too, but we have to embrace the painful moments. To acknowledge what still remains, you have to count your blessing, you have to write it down, all the things you are grateful for today. Verbalize it and be grateful for it. It is very important that we know how to live our best life, to be grateful, to be satisfied, to be good to others, that no matter what is going in our life, we can still say thank you for those who have left us. Thank you for the moments, thank you for their life, and appreciate what still remains with you today. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and bye-bye.